Can you hear that? Ugh, my pedals need replaced. Well, as you could probably tell from that video, I have squeaky pedals, and if you buy an Urban Arrow from me, or if you follow anything I talk about on Urban Arrow, I always tell people to upgrade their pedals, because the pedals are fine, but not for like daily abuse and use of a cargo bike that can carry a lot of weight. So my stock pedals, I normally upgrade at winter time because there's no like pegs. Like you'll see on the ones I'm upgrading to, there's like these pins that really grip your shoe when it's wet. And the Urban Arrow pedals are like sandpaper. And now when it's hot, my pedals are squeaking and it just sounds awful and embarrassing. So we're gonna put on my go-to cargo bike pedals, which is the iSSi, iSSi ones, because they're nice, low profile, and they do this cool thing where it's tapered, so it really grabs your foot instead of having excess pedal and pins where you don't need them. So we're gonna switch them, show you what it looks like before and after. Oh yeah, it's probably worth mentioning, some pedals, most pedals have a flange on them like this that you switch out with a 15 millimeter, but newer, maybe fancier and more expensive pedals use an Allen, normally either a 6 or an 8 on the inside of the spindle. Still, right hand pedal is normal threading, left hand pedal is backwards threading. I already have grease on these guys. Look for the L or the R. Left is backwards towards the front of the bike. The other pedal is holding up my phone right now. And we're done. No more squeaking, better traction with my shoes, and a little bit of nice color pop. You can upgrade your pedals for anywhere from 20 to 40, 60, 80, maybe too much money. These that I love are $40. They last several seasons, and then you might need new bearings, but that's for daily use and abuse on a very heavy cargo bike with lots of children and dogs. So hopefully you found this interesting. Let me know in the comments below what pedals you use and why. Until next time, this was Arleigh, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.